It's my great pleasure to welcome you in the course How to Beat Stronger Opponents. When you win the game against a lower rating opponent, this is something nice, of course. At the same time, this result was expected from you to some extent. However, when you win against a higher rated opponent, that gives you the real sense of satisfaction. It means that your chess skills are growing, that you are progressing, and you can take pride of that. This course will help you do just that, to win against stronger level opponents, which will also make sure that your chess skills are progressing, your rating is growing, and your results are getting better and better. My name is Igor Smirnov, I'm from the Remote Chess Academy, international grandmaster and chess coach, and it will be my pleasure to guide you along this journey on honing your powerful chess skills. The major part of this course will be dedicated to attack, which is the most critical skill that you need to develop while learning this course. And in the remaining lessons, you will learn a number of other important additional techniques that can make you even more dangerous guy for your opponents. Finally, let me make one general note that this is the second edition of the course. In the past, it was called How to Beat Title Players, and this course was developed a couple of years ago. During this time, I collected a lot of feedback from the students, and so the second edition is more powerful. It is added with new important lessons, with new tasks for the practical part, which will make your study even more powerful. Also, just please do not be deceived by the fact that in some lessons you will notice the title How to Beat Stronger Opponents. As I said, it is the second edition of the course, so some lessons were used from the first edition. And in any case, it's not about beating stronger opponents solely. You're learning the powerful techniques that will help you to beat stronger opponents. But of course, just as well, you can use the same techniques while playing against weaker opponents. If these skills are enough to turn down stronger guys, then if you play against weaker opponent, you'll simply demolish him. Therefore, I'm wishing you best of luck for this course. I hope you will enjoy the study, and I'm sure if you employ these techniques in your games, you'll get a lot of beautiful victories.